Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's Ford, people. I just sold it. Giggity giggity. Rock on. I get my Chevy back in the driveway. It's actually a pretty sweet deal. Sold her for $1,500 and he hauled away all the debris in the bed of the truck. He's gonna burn it all. So I have a driveway spot again. Cool. And get all the paperwork and the money and then go back to breaking this thing apart. Got the harmonic balancer off there, so. But good day, good day. The Ford's sold. That'll make the brother happy. I'll have to call him in a little bit. Sweet.